So hi everyone, today we are going to do AZ-104-Lab2, which is managing subscription and role-based access control. So let's go to the lab environment. This is going to be the lab scenario in which we have to simplify management of Azure resources in your organization. You have been tasked with the implementing the following functionality: creating a management group that include all Azure subscription, that is first scenario, and then is granting permission to submit support request for all subscription in the management group. The permission should be limited only to create and manage virtual machines and create support request tickets. This is the architecture diagram, and it involves task 1, task 2, task 3, and task 4. So let's begin. First is implementing management groups. For that, we need to sign into the portal. And search and select for Microsoft Entra ID. Here is the username and the password. In Manage Plate, select Properties. So let's go to Microsoft Entra ID. Inside Manage, select Properties. Review access management for Azure resources. Here is access management for Azure resources. Ensure you can manage access to all subscription, and it says that this is our ID from which we are logged in, and this ID can manage access to all Azure subscription and management. Now we are going to search management groups, and now we are going to create a management group. Management group ID is this and name is this. So it's still create, yeah, the management group AZ-104 is created here. Why it is showing error? We'll figure it out because the management group is already created. And next is task 2, in which we are going to review and assign a built-in Azure role. Now we have created a management group. We are going to assign a role to it. And you will review the built-in roles, assign VM contributor role. Basically, we are going to create a VM contributor role to this management group. We are going to select this group and then IA access control IAM. Scroll through the built-in roles that are available. Okay, roles. These are all the roles. View a role to get detailed information about permission, JSON, and assignment. Yeah, of course, we can select this one. So next is scroll through built-in roles. These are the built-in roles. View a role to detail information about. Uh, I don't know how to specifically view a role because when we click on it, there is no option to view the permissions or JSON and assignments. So let's continue with the next step, which is select add from drop down. Yeah, and select add role assignment. On the add role assignment blade, search for and select virtual machine contributor. So virtual machine contributor. Virtual machine contributor. Yeah, this one. Okay, we can view here, right? We can see all the permissions related to the virtual machine contributor. Lets you, but the virtual machine contributor role lets you manage virtual machine, but not access their operating system, manage their virtual network and storage account they are connected to. This is good role for help desk. Okay, I will select this next. Now the selected role is virtual machine contributor. And next is on members tab, select members. Okay. The next step, assign the role to the help desk group. If you do not have a help desk group, take a minute to create it. It should be there. We'll select this help desk and select it. Click review and assign. Now the role is classic virtual machine contributor. And member is help desk, right? Now we will create this role. Edit role assignment is done. Next is continue on the access control blade on the role assignment tab. Confirm help desk group has virtual machine contributor. Role assignment. We will go to help desk. And as you can see on help desk, we have classic virtual machine contributor. So task 3 is create a custom RBAC role. So RBAC is role-based access controls. We are going to create a custom role now. The previous one was built in. So it says if built-in role might have too many permissions for your scenario. In this task, we will create a new role and remove permissions that are not necessary. Do you have a plan for managing overlapping permissions? Continue working on your management group. In access control IAM, let's select check access tab. Okay, check access. Done. Create a custom role. Create a custom role. Add on the basic tab. Complete the custom role. Name is custom support request. Description is going to be a custom contributor role for support request. For the baseline permission, select clone a role. In role to clone drop-down menu, select support request contributor. Support request contributor. Select next to move permission tab and then select exclude permissions. Now these are all the permissions that are available. We want to exclude some permissions. In the resource provider search field, enter .spot. Select Microsoft Spot. In the list permission, select a checkbox next to the other. This one. Other register support resource provider. Then select add. The role should be updated to include this permission as not action. That is done. So an Azure, this is the note. An Azure resource provider is a set of REST operation that enable functionality for a specific Azure service. We do not want the help desk to able to have this capability. So it is being removed from the clone role. You also could select and other capabilities to the new role. So in this we have excluded a permission in which we do not want our help text to do uh, specific functionality. We can also add permissions if we want to add some new permissions. For example, Azure Active Directory. Just for example, we want to add, we can come here, add, and read, write, delete, whatever we permission need, we can select it and just add it. For now, on assignable scopes, ensure your management group is listed, yes, and then select next. Review the JSON for action, not action. Okay, actions are these, in which we have authorization, resource description, and support. Not action is Microsoft Support Register action. This is done. Select and review and create. And then another confirmation here of our permissions and then create. You have successfully created the custom role, custom support request. It may take the system a few minutes to display your role everywhere. Okay, now we are going to monitor role assignment with the activity logs. In the portal, locate Okay. Select activity logs. The activity log provide insight into subscription level events. Yeah. So this is create role assignment and review the activity role assignment. The activity log can be filtered for specific operations. Okay. Now I think our lab is completed and we are good to go. So this lab is completed and we do not need to clean up resources. Okay, thank you.